Microsoft manages over 500,000 AI agents internally. Those agents handle 65,000 requests every single day. Your first one takes 15 minutes to build. No code, no vendor, no 6-month project. Just you, Copilot Studio, and a SharePoint library. Let me show you exactly how. Here's the reality at most credit unions, community banks, and mortgage companies right now. Your IT help desk answers the same 20 questions every week. Password resets, VPN issues, printer problems. Each ticket costs about $22 to process. Your team spends hours on documented problems that have answers sitting in a SharePoint library no one ever opens. Meanwhile, 82% of organizations deploying AI agents have no governance council managing them. That is exactly what McKinsey's own data showed. People are building agents, whether IT approves it or not. The question is not whether agents are coming to your institution. The question is whether you build the first one correctly or someone else does it without guardrails. Here is the 4-step process, straight from Microsoft Services Blueprint. Step 1, prepare your knowledge base. Create a SharePoint site. Upload 3 to 5 documents covering your most common IT issues, your known issues guide, your headset manual, your security procedures, the agent